Hey everyone, how's it going? And in today's video I'm gonna tell you how to fix dev error 12502 in Modern Warfare 3. As you can see, this is by a dev himself, and the first thing you can do is clear cache files. And if you're playing on Xbox, you need to head over to the settings menu, select the system, and then choose storage, and then highlight your storage device and press Y, and then select clear system cache and then confirm it, and then relaunch the game to see if this issue is fixed. If not, then make sure your game is up to date. If there is any available patch or updates, then do it, and if there is an update, install it and then try playing offline multiplayer again. And if it still doesn't work, you can file like a support ticket to see, hey, is everything all right on my device or from your end, and see what they say. Last but not the least, you can try uninstalling and then reinstalling, but make sure to back up any saved data. And yeah, this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.